Yes, we're back again here at Hialeah Marina, getting ready to go do some little afternoon fishing. Hopefully we catch something good, and you guys are welcome to come along with the ride.
No, go back. You can't go back more. It's gonna hit you. Yes, get out. Go back. All right. Listen, I got it.
There's only more in the mango. Pretty dainty.
What?
Pretty dainty.
It's pretty choppy. I mean, not choppy, wavy here.
Maybe that guy was going 125,000 miles per hour. So.
Yeah, that. Just me, because I'm here. Welcome back, guys, and we're going today some little fishing. The weather is good. It's actually flat outside. Right now we're just hanging out through the channel. Hopefully we're gonna catch some big fish.
The Fresco Channel.
Some what?
What's the cast net? What's the cast net?
Oh yeah, we got a professional caster, net caster. We'll see it when the ballyhoos come to the back. See if it's
I'll catch more ballyhoos than you can get in the cast net.
What you got?
I'll catch more ballyhoos than you can catch in the cast net.
Oh, okay. We'll see how it works. Can't believe it. The water, how cold is the water? Oh, what you used to touch all the gadgets? How cold is the water? It's not saying?
This will never turn on.
I can't believe the water's cold and still people hanging out the sandbar. Look at that.
Look at that swimmer.
People still hanging out the sandbar. I guess it don't matter the weather. Yeah, but without no chum or nothing, they ain't gonna catch anything. They ain't gonna bring nothing to the boat. Oh, Fresco, bring all that stuff back here to the back. Which way are you going? Oh, we gotta start it. Did it open up?
Yeah, I did. That's a circle. Nope, that's not good right here.
Nah, forget it. Wasting time.
There's more right there. Oh, there's more right there.
Just what?
More right there. One right there. Damn, see.
Going at the cut. See if we get lucky today. Watch out with that big one coming in. Get closer to the bite.
Look at that tronco.
Oh, look at that. Big yacht pulling a boat bigger than mine. That's what you call money, money, money.
There you have it. What rod is that?
Something you guys didn't fix.
Mama rod.
Oh, this one broken too. My God, you guys didn't fix it. You guys love using the rods, but don't fix it.
Yes. That's exactly what we love to do.
Using the rod without fixing.
We fix our own, but we don't fix yours.
Okay, we're fishing off of Hialeah. We're about 48 feet.
50.
48, 50, okay. We're near the, I guess, a little drop that we found from, what was it? From 37 to 48, like 10 feet drop. Hopefully we catch something. Some stragglers. Yes, the big fish stragglers. We had a slight accident. My fillet knife kind of broke. I was trying to fight with a shark, and actually I had to stab him a few times. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, actually I was trying to cut the chum and it broke. So we're gonna have to just deal with the situation and keep cutting. With a stubby. I'm gonna call this guy Stubby. You like his guy Stubby?
Improvise, adapt, overcome. That's what Bear Grylls said in one of his episodes.
Okay. Oh man, you made me turn on the camera for nothing.
Let's go in the mouth.
Broke the what? It broke the line?
Go in the mouth.
Oh come on. Ah. All I know is for a grunt. And what you got?
Nothing.
You got the floor. Let me see that grunt.
Giant floor grouper.
What's that? What do you got? A giant floor grouper, and you got a grunt. Let's see.
Where's mine?
Let me see.
I got.
Come on. Oh, I never seen so many flounders here. It's like the third one. Third flounder.
He kept biting me too.
That means we're in the sandy patch.
Sandy patch.
Yeah.
So the back is the rocky, right?
Bye-bye, flounder.
Another flounder. What is this, our fourth flounder?
Yeah. One, two, whoa. 2, 3, 4, 5 rods out. 3 live on top and 2 bottoms. See how it is. Now, I don't know if you guys can see all the valleys back there. Let me see if I can. I don't know if you guys can see.
None of the big fish I can do?
See all the valleys in the water?
Yeah, I think they can do.
So far so good. Nothing major. Just like 4 flounders. And that's it. What the hell? The radio just turned on by itself. Getting good with that caster.
Now I don't have to fish. Where's the horn? Oh
Right.
God.
But these are pretty big.
Alrighty.
Alright, one's out.
The other one's not.
Okay, both of them are out. Let me get them in the bucket. That's great. Oh, almost fell down. Got them valleys now. Got the life caster right there.
See, now I don't have to be the masturbator.
No more masturbator.
No more masturbator.
Oh, come on, they're jumping out the bucket. All right, now we go deep. This is what you call a homemade light bait well. A paint bucket and a water hose.
Got it. Got it, boys.
Right there.
You hooked up, huh?
Run with a damn mouth open.
Exactly.
All those damn grunts.
Holy mother, God, just got a bite while recording.
Look at that thing. All that for a grunt. Oh, come on, man. You serious? Are you serious? A yellow grunt.
It's a grunts. Oh, those are good. Those are good luck. Those are good
This
teeth.
is good luck.
Yes. Whenever we catch one, we end up catching a guy. Look, that's a nice hogfish. And I got something on right now. Not here. Not here. Come on. Woo.
Oh, we got a little quality fish right here.
Go higher.
A little, what do you call a hog?
Yeah, big fat one.
Oh, yeah. Now it's getting better.
Now it's getting good.
Yeah, I think that was a keeper. I think this guy's too small.
100% keeper, and that's not keeper.
Yeah, it's too small. Look
Oh,
at
look at that.
look at that grill. Yo, what's up?
Look at this.
Look at that teeth.
This is a fat yellowtail. He's been eating our stuff.
Yeah, that's good. See you later, guy. It's your lucky day.
Yellowtail, big fat one. Oh, you got him, guy. Look at
Oh, I
that.
snagged him. That means there's a million.
That's
of
a
them.
million yellowtails. Got him.
Okay, bring it over here. Bring it over here.
Whatever it is pretty big.
Bring it over here.
Break the.
Go.
Right there. Really? Right out. What is it?
Oh, come on. I can't believe
Are
it.
you kidding me?
This little thing
Ate the whole damn thing.
ballyhoo. Look at that.
Little grouper.
Look at his mouth. That's what you call hungry.
Woof.
He took
Greedy
the whole
bastard.
ballyhoo.
Greedy as hell. Hey.
Look at that. This little thing.
Grouper. Freaking. Put it back in his mouth.
Bye-bye.
That's a little red grouper, right?
What the hell? That's a snake.
Oh, it's a goby. A big fat goby.
I just caught a snake up in here.
That's a freaking long goby. I mean goby.
A what?
A goby. Goby. Oh no, what is it?
I don't know.
I have no idea what the hell it
Looks like a chicken.
is. Eat it. It's a big one.
Just fought this whole thing all by myself.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Don't worry about it. Come to the front here.
Come over here. Oh, shoot the guy. I almost got stabbed.
It's a shark.
Gaff? Oh, it's a shark.
Oh, come on, you serious?
Oh, come on.
Taking off.
Woo.
Whoa, my new personal best shark. Oh,
Wow. Stupid shark.
you guys fought.
I thought it was a kingfish.
I thought it was too.
Oh, it's right there. It's a kingfish. It's a kingfish.
Oh, it's a shark?
Shark. Shark.
Another damn
Got it.
shark.
And I'm tangled with somebody's leg.
Mine. Ah, damn shark.
Perfect.
Bleeding bastard.
Oh, you took off.
Wait.
It's my fish. It's my shark.
Look and see your eyeballs. I see you looking.
He said, I'm going to kill you. Look at his little front of the nose. He has a black little tip.
Nice. Too bad I don't eat shark though. Not for me. You lucky.
Take it.
I want a shark.